Hello everyone, I am Anindita Day of Applied Science and Humanities Department. Today I am going to discuss the ion exchange process for softening of hard water. In this method, we use ion exchange resin to remove the hardness causing impurities from hard water. Ion exchange resins are cross-linked high molecular weight organic polymer which are insoluble in water, and they have a porous structure. And one of the major characteristic of these polymers, which are also known as resin, which makes it suitable for ion exchange process, is that they have functional group attached to the polymer chains, which are basically responsible for their ion exchange property. There are two types of ion exchange resin: cation exchange resin and anion exchange resin. Cation exchange resin are acidic in nature. They contain acidic functional groups like sulfonic acid SO3H or carboxylic acid like COH. You can see here this is a polymer chain and sulfonic acid group is here, and this group is responsible for removal of the hardness causing cations like calcium or magnesium from water. In the right side we have a structure of anion exchange resin, which are basic in nature and they contain quaternary ammonium group, and this OH is replaced by the anions like sulfate or chloride ions present in the hard water. This is the schematic diagram of ion exchange plant. As you can see here, it contains two chambers. The first chamber is for the cation exchange bed, and the second chamber is for the ion exchanger. And this is the hard water inlet where from the water comes in, and then it first passes through the cation exchanger bed. As I have already mentioned that resins are porous in structure, so water can easily pass through them. So first the water passes through the cation exchange bed, and then the same water, with the help of a pump, it is taken to the second chamber which contains the anion exchanger, and then it is passed through the anion exchanger resin, and this is the soft water outlet. Now let us see what are the reactions that are taking place. After using several times, the cation and anion exchanger bed gets exhausted, but they can be easily regenerated by passing either dilute acid or dilute base. Cation exchange column is regenerated by passing dilute HCl or dilute H2SO4. You can see here the reaction. Calcium, which is so far trapped in the cation exchange bed, will get replaced with H plus once again if we pass a dilute HCl or H2SO4 through it. Similarly, when anion exchanger base are charged with dilute base like NaOH, then all the anions like chloride or sulfate which were trapped inside the anion exchange bed will be replaced by OH minus. As I have already mentioned that ion exchange process is widely used in industry because of its very high efficiency. We can get water of very low hardness. Residual hardness is about 2 ppm. This process can also be used to soften highly acidic or highly alkaline water. These are the advantages of this process. On the other hand, the major disadvantage of this process is that the cost of this process is very costly, because both the ion exchange resins as well as the equipment used are pretty costly. And also, if the water contains turbidity, then the efficiency of the process is reduced, because the micropores present inside the resins will be clogged by the particles. So that is all with ion exchange process. Thank you.